What is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. I did not vlog all day. I went and got my nails done, and now I'm heading to hang out with my girls at a restaurant and try out this restaurant place. But I'll let you guys know when I get there. But this is my nails. I really like my nails. I stepped out of my comfort zone with getting color. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out where the sirens are coming from. So yeah, I had a nail appointment and I stepped out of my comfort zone and got my nails done. You can't see it because of the sunlight, but maybe you see it up here. So cute. But yeah, so I'm on my way to meet up with my besties, and we're gonna have a girls dinner and catch up and talk about wedding stuff. They are actually a part of my bridal party, so we're just gonna hang, kick back, try some food, drinks, whatever, and have fun. So I just wanted to come in and check in with you guys. It is late of me picking up the phone, but I'll let you guys know when I get there. Guys, I finally made it. This is where I am. Really cute, really cute. Beverly ladies to play. Courtney. This one. Happy birthday. No, it's not for me. It's for y'all. I turned the tables. Alright, y'all, so Xoxo Bay was a thumbs up. Oh, that's what I was talking about. That's why it's not showing up on yeah, because the other place I was gonna say, the other side, they're not open yet. It's I think we can. Do you think I should just put money on? We can find something here, can't we? I think so. It's stuff down there. It's stuff on around the corner. There's not a whole lot down there, though. Maybe we should just type in oysters and then restaurants will come up. You gonna put money in your thing? I got about 10 minutes. No. So yes, Xoxo was good. The truffle mac and cheese, definitely good. So if you're in the Baltimore area and you want to try a nice restaurant, I'll show you guys. Like, look at this. It's so nice. Like all the water, the boats. Really nice. So we're trying to find another cute spot that has oysters. You know, this place didn't have oysters, but they had really good wine, really good fish. We had the snapper, as you guys saw in the picture. right, y'all, so we're leaving Ocean Air. Got my oysters. They were pretty good. And had some dessert, key lime pie. That wraps up our girls' night for this month, you know, but there'll be many more throughout the remaining of this year. So comment down below if you enjoy seafood as much as I do. Leave the emoji in the comment section. But we're now at an age where we're just tired and it's only 10 o'clock.
Girls' night, it's a wrap.
It's time to go in. I can't. I've yawned. Oh, look at this. I've yawned so much. But hope you guys enjoyed seeing the clips that I put in here. Maybe I'll add Mother's Day, what I do for Mother's Day, in this weekend's clip along with Girls Weekend. We'll see how it goes. But happy Mother's Day to all the moms, all the women. You know, it's a Women's Day as well. So yes, that is it for tonight. I will check in with you guys tomorrow. And yeah, so that's all. Peace. What is up, you guys? Today is Saturday. We are doing wedding stuff again. The crew is waiting.
Thanks for joining us.
Everybody just got here, and I'm the one. Just finished talking to the wedding planner, going over some more bits and pieces of the flow of the reception, the flow of the ceremony, and things like that. I did not get any clips on that, so it was just work mode from there, so I didn't pick up the camera. But now I am meeting my girlfriend up with some lunch. She's actually one of my bridesmaids. I'm gonna hang out with her for lunch, and we're gonna actually eat crabs. If you know, then you know I love crabs, and I've never been to this place. It's like a crab restaurant, like on the water, and I'll show you guys like clips of the water. But it's really, really cute. It's actually really hot today. It's like 90 something, and so of course everybody wants to be out. Everybody want to be out. Don't even get me started on that. I'll vent about that later. But yeah, so that's where we are now. It's a pretty long wait, so I'm just gonna wait for her. She's about to be here in like the next 10 minutes, and we'll chat from there. But if you are new to the vlog, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out if you want to see more vlogs. I hope you guys been enjoying the vlog so far, and I know it's probably all over the place because listen, when I'm in the moment I do not pick up the camera like I should, but nevertheless I'm trying my best. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlogs, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get seated. Let me tell y'all something. 2-hour wait. These better be the bomb. Best crabs, best everything. I'm gonna show you guys what I just got. They look really good. I tasted it. Was it worth the wait though? Not when you're hungry, but they do look. They are good.
Meanwhile, I just over here like, guess what I'm gonna eat?
I know.
Look at the lens.
Bon appetit. Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's been a few days, and I need to get back on this consistency key when it comes to uploading my videos. I need to figure out a schedule. My schedule's all over the place, but I'll talk to you guys for a little bit today, give you a little bit of life update on what happened, what's going on. Excuse me. But as you just saw, I took my apple cider vinegar with the mother, a little bit of honey, and just water because I don't have any more lemon, and I didn't want to do the cayenne one, but I've been doing that for the past couple of days just to assist with bloating on top of me working out. Listen, it helps, but you have to be consistent with it. You have to be consistent with also like deciding like what you're going to eat. As you guys know, I've done the J.J. Smith diet one where you're not eating basically nothing, and I've also done the Goli apple cider vinegar gummies. Make sure you check that video out if you are curious to see my thoughts and all that on which one is better when it comes to the apple cider vinegar. But yeah, so let me just talk to you guys a little bit for today. So yeah, a little bit of update. The reason I've been not uploading is because I've been trying to get acclimated to a new opportunity when it comes to work. Also wedding planning and just doing things in the back, you know, on the back scenes of things has caused me to just say, you know what, hold off on the YouTube thing because, you know, life is happening and you don't have time to do that and edit and all that. Like, I'm only one person. So that's why I've been not really doing uploading. And then also, I just want to be honest with you guys, like beauty videos, those are the videos that to me take the longest to edit for me because one, I don't have an editor, I'm doing it by myself. Two, as I mentioned, you have to come up with content that people are going to want to see. And I just feel like because we've been in quarantine for so long and we're now slowly but surely like gradually going outside and doing things like that, like makeup hasn't been a go-to thing when we've been sitting in the house for a whole year and some change. So I actually want to incorporate lifestyle vlogs on here and other things I do in my life because my channel is beauty and lifestyle. So it'll still be some beauty content, like there'll be some times where I'm getting dressed or want to show you my outfit of the day and stuff like that, or I may do a makeup here and there on the lifestyle vlogs. But if you guys, like I mentioned in the last vlog, if you guys want to see beauty content, then make sure you leave those ideas down below. But yeah, so that's basically the update. I told you guys it wasn't nothing too harsh, it wasn't nothing too bad. Right? It's just really getting a schedule, like a routine again when it comes to uploading my videos, and then also like recording vlogs too. If you're not doing anything, then I don't want to, you know, upload something of me sitting here working from home, just working. You know, I don't think that's like fun content to watch the whole time. And I have a few things planned this weekend, so maybe I'll take you guys along with that. But I just wanted to stop in and say hello. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I do get excited when I do my lifestyle vlogging. It's just exciting to do vlogs and pick up the camera. I have some exciting things going on behind the scenes, as I said, wedding planning and just different events that are going on. So these next few months will definitely be busy as my wedding is slowly approaching for this year. So make sure you guys stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. It helps your girl out and that shows me that you guys want to continue to see content. So yeah, if I don't pick up the camera the rest of the day, then I will see you guys later. Have a great day.